Hi, I'm from FM Lifestyle. In this Excel tutorial, we'll explore the Countif and Countifs formulas and various ways to use them. The Countif formula operates similarly to the SUMIF and SUMIFs formulas, but is slightly simpler. Countif and Countifs enhance the basic count formula by allowing Excel to count items meeting specific criteria. New in Excel 2007 is the Countifs formula, which lets you specify multiple criteria. Enough explanation. Let's dive into an example, as it's easier to visualize. You'll find the Countif formulas by clicking on the Formulas tab, then More Functions, and under Statistical, you'll see Countif and Countifs. We'll start with the Countif formula. First, select the range of cells you want to count, and specify the condition that needs to be met. Let's look at our sample data. Here we have a table, and I've set up summaries below it. In the first example, we'll summarize the number of occurrences of each clerk in this table. Click on the cell and start entering our formula. Since we want to count the instances of each clerk, highlight the Store Clerk range. Press the F4 key to make the range absolute. Enter a comma to move to the next part, which is the criteria. You can reference the cell containing the name. Press Enter, and the formula correctly counts instances in the specified range. Now, let's move on to Countifs. Suppose we want to summarize data by clerk performed a sale using credit card or cash. The Countifs formula allows multiple conditions. Start the formula and press Tab. Countifs specifies criteria range 1 and criteria 1, then criteria range 2, and so on. The first range is the clerk's name, made absolute with F4. Enter the criteria, e.g. Chang Li, and press comma. For criteria range 2, highlight the payment type and make it absolute, then select credit. Close the brackets and press Enter. The formula correctly counts the instances meeting both conditions. There you go. Now we can see the number of counts for the table of clerks and the method of payments. Great work! For more ways to use Excel with shortcuts, functions, and formulas, don't forget to visit our channel. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. See you soon.